Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, according to the latest available data, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is tipped to receive a much needed RAM upgrade. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra may have twice the RAM as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The network has revealed new features and many other exciting details regarding the new Samsung Galaxy Ultra model. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. A new leak says the entire Galaxy S25 series will get much needed increase in RAM. Apparently, the Samsung Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus could offer up to 12 GB of RAM, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra could go as high as 16 GB of RAM. Noted leaker ASUS Universe previously stated, Samsung has no plans to give the Galaxy S25 series as much needed RAM upgrade. While that could still hold true for the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could very well receive it. In a cryptic X post, the leaker implies the Galaxy S25 Ultra could offer up to 16 GB of memory on some top spec variants, making it the first smartphone after the Galaxy S21 Ultra to do so. Unlike the near 4 generation old Flagship, the 2025 bound smartphone will pair it with 1 TB of internal storage. A less known leaker who goes by the one seed says even the base Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus will offer up to 12 GB of RAM. Whether or not it will use Samsung's blazing fast 10.7 Gbps LPDDR5X modules remains to be seen. Given how stingy Samsung has been with RAM in the past, the only plausible reason for the much needed memory bump would stem from on-device AI, Google Gemini Nano 2, which is notoriously RAM hungry. Other upgrades include new camera sensors on the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, and somehow possibly a MediaTek Dimensity SoC. The Galaxy S25 Ultra could get a redesigned chassis and some camera upgrades. Previously or recently revealed that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will go without a battery upgrade and feature a 5000 mAh battery, the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. According to recent rumors, Samsung is working on refreshing the camera setup and design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to make customers buy the upgraded smartphone. However, it should be noted that these are all speculations and users should wait until Samsung reveals everything in store for the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup, anticipated to launch at the beginning of 2025. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.